Hello everyone and welcome to Wisam's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making pan-seared sirloin steak. So stay tuned! First we'll take 2 pounds of the sirloin steak and cut it into cubes depending on the thickness of the steak. The cubes should be cut slightly smaller for thicker steaks to make sure that the meat is cooked evenly throughout. Once we have chopped all of the meat, put the cubes into a bowl and use your preferred steak seasoning. Put a tablespoon of the seasoning on the steak. I also like to add some extra flavor by adding a tablespoon of smoke flavoring. Then we'll mix so that the flavor is distributed evenly. Next, we'll take a big pan and melt half a stick or 4 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, distribute the steak pieces into the pan. The first side should take about 5 minutes on medium-high heat. Once we have added the steak pieces, we'll throw in some 10 cloves of garlic and a few sticks of fresh or dried rosemary. This will give a very good flavor to the steak. After about 5 minutes, once the first side is cooked, we'll flip the steak. As you can see, the pieces should have a golden crust. We don't want to overcook the steak so that it stays tender on the inside. Make sure to keep the heat medium to high throughout the entire process to avoid the steak becoming dry. After all of the pieces are flipped, cover the pan and let it cook for 5 minutes on the other side. While the steak cooks, we'll take 1/4 cup of water and mix a teaspoon of cornstarch until it is completely dissolved. After the steak is cooked, pour the cornstarch mixture into the pan. This mixture will cause the sauce to thicken and become a sort of gravy. Cover the pan once more and leave it to cook on low heat for another 5 minutes to make sure the meat is cooked completely. The final step is to plate the steak. The garlic, rosemary, and gravy gives it a nice touch when presenting to guests. You can make a number of sides with this dish: vegetables, rice, mashed potatoes, or whatever you desire. I hope you liked this easy and delicious recipe. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any recipes you would like me to make. Enjoy!